Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Blogger website. So let's go. If you need my consultancy about that tracking, you can book your consultancy meeting with me, and I will give this link on this video description. Okay. So as you can see, this is my Blogger dashboard, and if I visit my site, which is this, okay, so basically you can connect Google Analytics to your website two different method. You can use Google Tag Manager and then connect Google Analytics on that, and also you can connect directly your Google Analytics to your Blogger website. Okay, so in this video actually I will show you three different way that you can connect your Google Analytics to your Blogger website. Okay, so first of all, actually I will show you how you can directly connect on Analytics. So first of all, we need a Analytics dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to open a demo Google Analytics property. You probably have a property. Okay, so you can see this is my demo property for Google Analytics, and if I go on the admin and if I then click data stream, and here you can see this is our measurement ID. Okay, and if I click on the manage connection to the site, or actually I need a code. Okay, so basically you can see the code. Actually we can input the code on our website backend. Also we can connect through this measurement ID. So first of all, I am going to show you how you can connect with this measurement ID. Okay, this is very easiest way to connect your Google Analytics. And another way, so you can set up cross domain here, and you can manage automatic event. So I think you already know in Google Analytics you have a couple of automatic, like this all the event you will get automatically. So if you don't this event, you can deactivate that. Okay, so this is the actually in deep the video actually about your some settings, but let's see how you can connect. Okay, so you can see if you use Shopify, Wix, like the Squarespace or some mostly use CMS, you can install their platform. But if you don't have that platform, you can use this code and you can copy this and begin. So this is the another way to connect our Google Analytics. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you this method. Copy this link and go to your Blogger website, and then you have to go the theme section and then edit HTML. And here you can see I already input my Google Tag Manager code, and I'm going to show you how you can connect with Google Tag Manager. But first of all, let's put the tag here, and here you can see exact same code I am inputting here. Okay, and then save changes. So this is the one method that you can connect your Google Analytics to your Blogger website, and I am going to do the second method. The second method is very simple. You just need to copy this measurement ID only. Okay, so and then go to on there. So you can see this website is already connected, but I'm going to show you the another method. So you have to go on the settings, and then you can see this is the option which is Google Analytics Measurement ID. Just simply input your measurement ID and save here. And your website is connected to Google Analytics again. Okay. And now I'm going to show you the third method, which is this one with Google Tag Manager. So if you want to use Google Tag Manager, you have to connect your Google Tag Manager code with the website first. Okay. For example, if you want to connect this Google Tag Manager container, you just need to copy this code and you have to go on the blogger section and then theme, and then you have to go on the edit HTML, and then you can see the code is already here. So that's mean the Google Tag Manager is connected. You just simply paste here and then it will serve. But if you face any issue, you can book my consultancy. I will help you. Okay. And when your Google Tag Manager is connected, you just need to make the new tag and then open the new tag and select Google tag, and here you have to input your measurement ID only. Okay. So measurement ID you will get from your analytics container, and just simply input it. And here you can see no tag found. So that's mean it say you have to create Google tag, a basic tag first. So this is the Google tag and it's already made, and then save it. Just you have to follow this simple step, and now you can see the tag is found now. And if you want, you can use the all pages, because this is the base connection. And in future, if you need any specific event, because this is our e-commerce event, we need add to cart, view cart, view content, purchase, checkout, all the event, you can do it by inputting here. So that will be the another episode, I think, but for this video I think that's enough for you. So that's actually the three method that I wanted to show you how you can make the connection with Google Tag Manager and your website. And you don't have to follow these three method. You can pick just one that are super useful to you, then you can use it. So my suggestion will be, if you are very basic, you don't need advanced setup, then you simply copy this code and you can go on the settings and you can input here. So that will be enough for you. But if you need advanced setup, then you will use Google Tag Manager. So that is my recommendation. And of course, if you need any help with Google Tag Manager, you can contact me. I will help you as soon as possible and I will give you my best service. And of course, if you found this video was useful to you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. So thank you so much. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a good day.